Hey, I found these adorable black cats at CVS yesterday. So we're going to turn this one into this one and then add a cute little skeleton butterfly just for a little something something. So I'm just taking and we're going to make a little bow. So my tails are 15 inches. The loop I did at 12 inches. So we're just going to make a little loop on each side, just like that. Okay, and then we're going to add a little, that black and white strip using the 5/8 ribbon. And I'm just going to glue it right there in the middle. Just a little dab of glue. Gonna fold those edges in just like that. Glue it all the way around. Monk's in there singing, so you might be able to hear him singing. Just trim that off. Bring this all the way around. Glue that end. Just a little dab, you don't need a lot. Trim that off, and then I wrap that pipe cleaner around that edge. Fluff up our loop, bring our tails down, cut them at a diag, just like that. And then we're going to wrap this around his cute little neck, just like that. Take that pipe cleaner all the way around, secure that in place. Bring our tails around, just give them a little curl for her cute little bow. Okay, now all we have to do is add our little butterfly, skull butterfly, and let's just kind of put this one right down there. Just hold it for just a second. And then this one, how about we put it in her little ear? I think that would be adorable. Now these cats are flocked. They are resin flocked candles, or cats, not candles, cats. Now we have two adorable black cats to go with our decor.